I started Rolling Pin Bakehouse over 12 years ago. Here are our original labels that we posted on our boxes of pies and cookies, and this is what the stand looked like when people would come to pick up their orders. Here's my mother, who taught me everything I know. Some of the original items that we had on the menu, and that menu changed over the years as certain things sold better than others. Sugar cream pie was always a bestseller. Cinnamon rolls were very popular as well. The sugar cream pie recipe was from my mom. She created that. It's a secret family recipe and everybody loves it. Here we are getting ready. We're at the farmer's market. I've gotten to be a part of some really great stuff. The Roanoke Pie Eating Contest. I sponsored a baseball team. Got to be a part of this amazing documentary about pies from Rick Seaback. My husband had created the website. They found us online and came out and filmed, and that was an amazing experience to be able to be a part of that with that crew. I even gained a super fan who would come down from Chicago. Here she is. We got to bake together. We hosted a group from Utah. Here we are at Thanksgiving, tons and tons of pies. We usually cut it off at about 75. That was my max that I could do. Made it through COVID. Then the mix. My husband came up with the amazing idea to have a pie mix so that customers could make it on their own. I was baking a little less, and then we have been doing events over the past few years and selling the mix at different farmers markets and in shops, letting me set up. Now we have sugar cream pie, chocolate cream pie. We're in stores, manufactured in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Goodbye to the roadside stand. Hello to retail shelves and nationwide shipping.
Hey, I'm about to go level up. I cannot settle for nothing. I never been regular. Always knew I could do better. I finally made it this far and I'm not looking back. They didn't see all the time that I put in. I'm me and
Easter is almost here. We've got 2 delicious pies here that you can make. We've got our sugar cream pie filling mix here. So that's our original recipe. And then we have the chocolate cream version. And we did the sugar cream in the microwave and our chocolate cream on the stovetop. You have to let them cool down before you put them into your pie crusts. But you guys could have these for your Easter dinner. Sounds delicious, doesn't it?